haven't been filming at all for my channel, but I really want to get back into vlogging. It's what I like to do. So here I am with a random vlog. So today I was supposed to go to the doctor with my sister. And they called her last minute and rescheduled her appointment. So I didn't schedule any clients for today. So I figured I would just go to Hobby Lobby and run a few other errands. I haven't been to Hobby Lobby in a while, and I've been really wanting to decorate mine and Austin's bedroom. We switched the rooms just the other day, so it's like completely blank. There's nothing on the walls. So I really want to get some stuff to go in there today, and maybe some stuff for my living room. We will see. I'm going to try and show you guys what I find in the store, but if I can't show you in store, I'll definitely show you when I get back home. One of the walls, I'm thinking something like this, with a canvas of one of our wedding pictures maybe with it. I don't know. I think it's really pretty, but also really overpriced. I also like this one. I think it's pretty. It's a little bit smaller, so it may be cheaper. We'll see. So that last sign was $70 for both of them. But they have this section, and these are pretty much the same thing. And it's, what is that? $14.99. So what I think is I'm gonna grab both of these and get my sister, who has a Cricut, to put what I want on there. Guys, they have their fall stuff out. I'm so excited. They also have their Christmas stuff out, if you can see that over there. Okay, so I'm headed back home now. Finished up all my errands in town. I didn't get as much as I was hoping for. I'm kind of disappointed with my finds today. I was hoping to find a lot more. I really want to get our bedroom decorated because it's so blank and I don't like it. But I did get a few things, and I'll show you all that when I get home. I only got like 3 or 4 things at Hobby Lobby, I think, and then I went to TJ Maxx to see what I could find there, and they didn't have anything. I was really looking for a mirror, a bigger mirror to hang on one of the walls. They didn't have any, so I just got a few things there. I am ready for fall. I want fall, I want cooler weather, I want to wear sweaters and hoodies and not sweat, and my hair won't be giant and frizzy. That is what I want. And Hobby Lobby had their fall decorations out, and it just made me so excited, so excited. So anyways, I'm headed back home, and whenever I get back, I will show you what I got. Hey buddy. Hey, okay. I see you've made quite a mess. Thank you for that. Okay, so I did end up getting those 2 wooden signs. I called my sister while I was in there and asked her about the Cricut, and she said that that would work, or she would hand letter them because she does calligraphy. She has really pretty handwriting. So I got them, and I'm really excited, but I think they're 2 different colors. Can you tell? Like this one, this top one looks more white to me, and this bottom one looks more cream. But both of the stickers say whitewash sign with frame. So I guess they just kind of, I don't know. I don't think it'll be bad though, because they're, the way I'm wanting to do them, they'll be separated a little bit. So I think it'll be fun. So I did get those. And I grabbed this out of the like jewelry organizing section. I thought it would be cute to put scrunchies on because I've got a million trillion scrunchies, and I just have them all in this little bag that they came in. So I want to kind of display them. So I thought this would be cute. It's way cuter than the ones I was going to get. I have some sitting in my Amazon cart right now. They're just some of the acrylic ones that just is one little stand that goes straight up and down. I don't know how to explain it, but just one of those was $25, and they were like maybe yay tall. They weren't very tall at all, so they wouldn't hold many scrunchies. But this by itself was $24.99, and it's whitewashed. It's super, super cute. So I thought this would be a way better alternative than the acrylic ones on Amazon. So I did snag that. I also got a few t-shirts at Hobby Lobby that got the blank ones, you know. This is the dark gray comfort color one. I got a large in that, and I got an extra large in this black one. They're just plain t-shirts. I usually like extra larges for t-shirts just because I like mine really, really oversized, but the large will work for me. I would usually be a medium, so this will still be a little bit oversized, but I thought I would just try to do the little bleach dye that everybody's doing. And these were like $2 a piece, so I figured whatever. I'll just try it. If it's ugly, I mean, it was $2, so whatever. I also got this giant little mason jar. Me and Austin save our change, and right now I've just got it in this little purple like Tupperware thing in my closet, but I thought this would be cute to put out, and it's got a little top to it so we can cut a slit in it for the change. So I thought that would be cute, and all of their glass was 50% off, their little glass containers. So this was originally $8, so I got it for like $4. I went to TJ Maxx and they didn't have a lot, like I said earlier, but I did grab these two wreaths. I thought they were really cute, and I just got two of them, and I plan on putting them on some little whitewash shutters that I have. Let me just go grab those. So I have two of these, and right now I've got them on either side of my TV in the living room, and I don't really like how it looks. I think they're too, if you hear that, that's Duke. He's under the bed hiding because I put him out and he was mad. So when I opened that door, he ran in and like snuck under the bed. So don't mind him. But yeah, I think these wreaths will look really cute on these. And I'm thinking of maybe putting them on either side of the bed. But I don't know. I'll just have to show you the walls because it'll make way more sense whenever you can see that. See, he hides under the bed. He thinks I can't see him. Hey. Hey, buddy. So yeah, whenever Austin gets home, I'll get him to help me hang some stuff. I would hang it myself, but I'm not the best hanger. So whenever I hang stuff, I usually put like a million holes in the wall, and it's just best for me to wait on him. So yeah, I'm gonna wait on him to hang some stuff up, but I think the shutters will be cute. And then I'm thinking some canvases of our wedding pictures to go with these signs that my sister's going to put lettering on. So I guess I'll just see how that stuff looks and then decide what else I want in here from there. Friday now. So today I have to clean my house. It is a disaster. So I need to do that. And I bought a dresser. When did I buy that? Last week sometime, and it came in finally today. So me and Austin are gonna go pick that up when he gets off work. And every weekend we do a date night, and we switch up who does them. Like last week was his, and he gets to pick what we do. And so this week it's mine. So I've got to come up with something for us to do tonight, other than put a dresser together. So that's what my day's looking like. So I'm about to start cleaning the house. What is it, buddy? What is it? You want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? He is not having it today. So I'm going to go let him outside and start cleaning my house. Had to take a little break from cleaning. I've got to get some lunch in me. I'm starving. I'm about to eat some chicken that I meal prepped, and it's so good. And it's the easiest thing ever. So I'll show y'all what that looks like. But I've been doing Weight Watchers, and I can have chicken for really low points. And then I'm gonna put some cucumbers that I sliced up with it. So that's what I'm about to eat. I'm starving. I just cleaned up the kitchen and I'm coming in here to mess it up. So it's fine. So this is the chicken that I made, and all I did was I cut them up. It's just boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And then I seasoned them with, I call it chatteries. I don't know how to pronounce that, but that's what we call it. So I just put chatteries on it and then baked it in the oven, and it's so good. And then I've just got some sliced up cucumber with everything bagel seasoning on it. And then I can have this ranch, this Bolt House Farms. So if you're on Weight Watchers and you haven't tried this, go get it. You can get it at Walmart, and it is so good. And they have so many flavors of it. And you can have 2 tablespoons of it for 2 points. So that's amazing because I love ranch. I have to have it on everything. So the chicken's 2 points. Those are 0. That's 2, and then I'm drinking one of these sparkling ice drinks. This is my favorite flavor. It literally tastes like a pina colada. It's so good. So that's my lunch for today, and it's so good, and it's only 4 points. Austin's back there loading up my dresser.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we good.
I finally got my new dresser in. Do you love it? Do you love it? Yeah, okay. Anyways, I already put all my stuff up top and decorated it, and I'm so obsessed. I think it looks so cute. We didn't even have to put it together. I thought we would have to, but it came put together, so. He always gets so excited when Austin brings guns outside. He likes to hunt for the bullets. What is it, buddy? Hey guys, it has been a week since that last clip. I've been super busy this week. Me and my sister decided to throw my parents a surprise anniversary party because August 3rd will be their 30th anniversary, and that's like a huge deal. So we wanted to do something for them. So we had to throw everything together last minute, and so I've been rushing around trying to get all this done because it's at my house. So I had to get my house prepared for all those people to come. So I've been cleaning and decorating today, and on top of that I've been working. So it's been a crazy week, so I haven't got to vlog much, but I definitely wanted to vlog this because I'm really excited to see their reactions. I don't think they have any idea what we're doing. I told my mom that I wanted to cook dinner for her and my dad, so they think they're just coming to my house to have dinner with me and Austin. But my sister and her husband, my brother, my granny, and my pawpaw will all be here to surprise them when they get here. So I'm really excited. We're just gonna grill and hang out. We've got some games to play with them, and then we've got a cake, but I'm just really hoping that they don't know, because it's so hard to surprise my dad. But I really don't think that they know, because we haven't mentioned anything about it, nothing about their anniversary. So I think we'll surprise them, but I don't know, we'll see. I get so excited to surprise people. I hate being surprised. I do not like being surprised, especially if I know that there's a surprise, but I love surprising people. Hopefully we get a good reaction out of them. Food's cooking.
Blake said they'll be here in 2 minutes.
And we're waiting on them to get here. He's so excited. They are! Ah! I can see Mom's face.
She's like, what's going on?
She's so confused. Surprise!
He's been like peeking around that way, waiting on them.
Are you surprised?
A little bit.
I'm going to end the vlog here, but thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed today's video, then please subscribe down below and hit that post notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!